sa podcast. Abangan niyo yan sa ating YouTube. And now,
we're so excited to introduce a very special speaker this evening. Please join us in welcoming
Her Excellency, our Philippine Ambassador, Madam Anne Halandon Luis. Palakpakan naman po natin.
Maraming salamat sa ating MCs this evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening. Ay, parang walang tao. Magandang gabi po. Good evening and welcome on behalf of the organizer to the Halavera Festival this year. This is the third year that we are having a Philippine Cultural Festival here at the open car park of Oasis Mall, and I would like to commend and to congratulate the event organizer, Brand Me, led by Cristina Fulencio and her team, for carrying on the organization of this cultural festival to promote the Philippine culture, our traditional practices, our Filipino cuisine, and our way of life as a Filipino people to our Bahraini and other foreign friends who are here in Bahrain. And thank you to our vendors, those who have participated. We have more and we have bigger booths, bazaar this year, and also the companies that have partnered with us to have this Halavera Festival. Please support the vendors who are here. Try the Filipino food and the other goods that are on sale and on display. And I congratulate also the organizers. We had the basketball 3-on-3 tournament. I think the men's basketball is still ongoing. I see them playing there. We have awarded the women's basketball already. The darts competition is ongoing at the second floor inside the mall. And of course, we have the Philippine products promotion offerings by Carrefour inside the mall as well. So I thank also the Capital Governorate and the management of Oasis Mall for partnering with us in bringing once again this festival to all of you. And we are happy to collaborate with our partners, Brand Me and others, in once again bringing this to the Filipino community here in Bahrain. And of course, later on in the evening, we have some guests from the Philippines, including a celebrity. So for those of you who will be staying on, you will see that also. And we will have the street dance that will be performed here later. So there are many programs, performances in store for everyone. And don't forget, today is only the second day. The festival is until tomorrow, okay? So please continue to support it by announcing to your friends and contacts to come here and visit. And so I will end with that, and congratulations again to Brand Me, all of the sponsors, its supporters, and we hope that this Philippine Cultural Festival will be carried on in the coming years. Maraming salamat and have a happy fiesta.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Your
you.
Excellency. Thank you so much, Madam. Yes, we're so very thankful to our Philippine Embassy headed by our Ambassador forever. Supportive talaga pagdating sa ating mga Philippine
Very
events.
present.
Diba? Maraming salamat. And of course, speaking of support, supportive, ayan, we would like to say thank you to our outfit for tonight. Yes, from Centerpoint and Max.
Thank
you so much
outfit
again.
Maraming
Since
salamat.
yesterday, we have our outfit from Centerpoint and Max. Thank you so much. The manager from ARG is here, sir. Of course, we have ongoing